Question 332. Describe your experience with continuous integration and continuous deployment, CCD, within the context of academic software development projects. In previous roles, I applied CCD practices to streamline the development of academic management systems. By automating testing and deployment processes, we reduced the time from development to production significantly. We established a C pipeline that included unit tests, integration tests, and deployment to staging environments before final release. This approach improved collaboration among developers, reduced bugs in production, and allowed for rapid iteration based on user feedback, enhancing the overall quality of our academic software solutions. Question 333. How do you approach troubleshooting when academic planning software fails to integrate with existing systems? Troubleshooting integration failures begins with a systematic analysis of the issue. I first gather error logs and documentation to identify potential compatibility issues. Engaging with both IT and academic staff helps clarify the requirements and expectations for integration. I would test various integration points to pinpoint the failure source, whether it's data format discrepancies or API limitations. Collaboratively, we would iterate on solutions, ensuring robust testing before re-implementation to minimize future disruptions. Question 334. Share an experience where you had to adapt your academic planning strategy based on cultural or institutional changes. During a significant institutional shift towards online learning, I had to adapt our academic planning strategy to accommodate new modalities. I initiated a comprehensive review of existing curricula to ensure they were suitable for online delivery. Engaging faculty in workshops helped them design courses that leveraged digital tools effectively. We also developed guidelines for assessing online student engagement and outcomes, ensuring our academic offerings remained relevant and effective under the new cultural paradigm of remote education. Question 335. How do you ensure that the academic calendar aligns with institutional goals while accommodating student needs? Aligning the academic calendar with institutional goals requires a collaborative approach. I consult with academic leaders to understand strategic priorities and examine enrollment trends for student needs. By collecting feedback from students and faculty through surveys, I identify critical periods for exams and breaks. I then create a draft calendar, ensuring it reflects institutional objectives while remaining student-centered. Regular reviews and potential adjustments based on feedback ensure that the final calendar serves both institutional and student needs effectively. Question 336. What is your experience with cloud-based solutions for academic planning, and how do they benefit institutions? I have extensive experience implementing cloud-based solutions like Google Cloud and Microsoft Azure for academic planning. These platforms facilitate data access and collaboration across departments, allowing real-time updates and document sharing. The scalability of cloud services supports growing data needs without significant infrastructure investments. Additionally, cloud solutions enhance security and reliability, ensuring that sensitive academic data is protected while providing users with convenient access from multiple devices. This flexibility fosters a more dynamic and responsive planning environment. Question 337. Describe your approach to developing a long-term academic strategy that adapts to changing educational landscapes. Developing a long-term academic strategy involves continuous environmental scanning and stakeholder engagement. I begin by analyzing current trends in education, such as technological advancements and shifts in student demographics. Regular consultations with faculty, students, and industry experts provide insights into future needs. I establish metrics to assess our progress and impact, ensuring our strategy remains aligned with institutional goals. Flexibility is key. I incorporate periodic reviews to adapt the strategy based on emerging challenges or opportunities, ensuring sustained relevance. Question 338. How do you measure the success of academic programs, and what metrics do you find most valuable? Measuring the success of academic programs involves a multifaceted approach. Key metrics include student retention rates, graduation rates, and course evaluation scores. Additionally, tracking post-graduation employment rates provides insight into program effectiveness. I also consider qualitative feedback from students and faculty to gauge satisfaction and identify areas for improvement. Regularly reviewing these metrics allows for data-driven adjustments to programs, ensuring they meet both academic standards and student needs while aligning with institutional objectives. Question 339. Can you discuss a time when you faced resistance to a planning initiative and how you overcame it? I encountered resistance when proposing a new curriculum review process aimed at increasing interdisciplinary collaboration. Faculty were concerned about the additional workload. To address this, I organized a series of informational sessions where I demonstrated the long-term benefits of the initiative, showcasing successful case studies from other institutions. I also involved faculty in the planning process, allowing them to voice concerns and contribute ideas. By fostering a sense of ownership and highlighting potential improvements in student outcomes, I gained their support. Question 340. What role does data analytics play in your academic planning process, and how do you utilize it effectively? Data analytics is integral to my academic planning process. I leverage analytics tools to assess enrollment trends, course performance, and student demographics. By analyzing data, I can identify patterns and make informed decisions about program offerings and resource allocation. For example, if data reveals consistently low enrollment in a specific course, I investigate potential causes, such as scheduling conflicts or curriculum relevance. This data-driven approach allows us to proactively adapt our programs to better meet student needs and optimize institutional resources. Question 341. How do you ensure that academic planning reflects diversity and inclusivity in curriculum design? Ensuring diversity and inclusivity in curriculum design starts with stakeholder engagement. I actively seek input from diverse student groups, faculty, and community representatives to identify gaps in representation. I promote the integration of diverse perspectives across all subjects by encouraging faculty to include varied authors and case studies in their syllabi. Regular reviews of course content against inclusivity benchmarks help maintain a diverse curriculum. Providing training for faculty on inclusive teaching practices further strengthens our commitment to diversity in academic planning. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.